You see a lot of looksmaxxing videos online, right? You try everything: skincare, jaw exercises, haircuts, but still don't get results. The real reason? It's not genetics. It's 5 bad habits that are silently destroying your face every single day without you realizing it. And if you don't fix them now, you'll keep aging faster than you should. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what those habits are and how to fix them. The good news? The fixes are simple and you'll start seeing results in just weeks. Let's start. 1. Not changing pillowcases. Here's something you've probably never thought about: your pillowcase. You do a lot of skincare, eat healthy, but still are unable to get rid of pimples. Why? Because of your pillowcase. Every night your face rubs against it for hours, and during that time it collects oil, sweat, dirt, and bacteria from your skin and hair. Now imagine sleeping on that same dirty surface again and again. That filth transfers right back onto your skin, clogging your pores and causing acne, blackheads, and irritation. Most guys wash their pillowcase once every few weeks. That's like washing your face and then drying it with a towel you haven't cleaned in a month. The fix? Change your pillowcase every 3 to 4 days. It's such a small change, but your skin will get clearer, smoother, and fresher in just a few weeks. 2. Overwashing or using harsh face washes. A lot of guys think the more they wash their face, the cleaner it gets. But here's the truth: overwashing does the opposite. When you scrub your face too often or use strong cleansers, you strip away your skin's natural oils. Your body panics and produces even more oil to replace it. Result: greasy skin, more pimples, and irritation. You're not cleaning your face, you're damaging its protective barrier. The fix? Wash only twice a day, morning and night, with a gentle face wash that matches your skin type. That's how you keep your skin balanced and healthy. 3. Mouth breathing. This one's a silent killer of your looks, and most people have no idea. When you breathe through your mouth instead of your nose, your tongue rests low, your jaw weakens, and your face starts changing shape over time. It gives you a longer and tired-looking face. Mouth breathing also weakens your jawline over time. On top of that, mouth breathing dries your lips and causes bad breath. The fix? Train yourself to breathe through your nose, especially when sleeping. Keep your mouth closed, maintain good posture, and if you snore or wake up with a dry mouth, check your nasal breathing, or use mouth tape. I've given the link as description. It won't just make your face sharper, you'll sleep better, have more energy, and even feel more confident. 4. Eating too much sugar and processed food. Here's the harsh truth: your skin is a reflection of what you eat. High sugar and junk food cause inflammation in your body, breaking down collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. That means more acne, dullness, and premature wrinkles. You might not notice it today, but years of bad eating slowly age your face. The fix? Stop eating sodas, chips, pastries, and sweets. Focus on real food: eggs, chicken, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and water. Your skin will start glowing, your eyes will look more alive, and your jawline will even appear sharper because your face won't be inflamed anymore. 5. Neglecting moisturizer and SPF. Let's be honest, most guys skip this step because they think skincare is for girls. Big mistake. When you don't moisturize, your skin becomes dry and dull. And when you skip sunscreen, the sun slowly destroys your skin's collagen, causing wrinkles, dark spots, and early aging. This is the image of truck driver whose left side of face is destroyed because of constant driving in sun. Not gonna lie, but this is what sun does to your skin. So apply sunscreen. You might not see it in your 20s, but by 30, it'll hit you hard. The fix? Use a lightweight moisturizer every day and apply SPF 30+ every morning, even if you're indoors. Think of it like armor for your skin. Protect it now, and you'll look years younger later. That's it. 5 everyday habits that quietly ruin your face, but now you know how to fix them. The best part? You don't need expensive products, just small, consistent changes. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for part 3, because there are still more hidden habits you need to break if you want your face to look its absolute best.